Welcome to the shop. I'm Jesse. In this video, we're going to be fixing up the Prometheus lamp. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to be painting in some epoxy to make it look like wood grain. And what I'm going to be using is shellac as the base coat, and then some mix-all pigments to find the right color for this white oak. So, let's get to it. I've mixed some yellow with some brown, and the shellac itself is blonde. It's amber color, so it's already a little brown. And I've already made some mixes that match. This was the first mix, and then I got it to different shades of brown. This was another color, and then this was the one that matches the first coat, white oak. And you can see shellac dries so quickly, it's already dry. And so this part that I want to use, I can't really use again. And I don't want to dip more shellac in because one, it's color-based, and also it's just not necessary. Shellac is just alcohol-based, so I'm going to take some denatured alcohol, just this stuff, and all I need to do is just dip my brush once, and then I can put it back in and have all that stuff come alive again. With shellac, you can do as many coats as you want because we want this to melt right into the next layer.